Welcome everybody, Jayewellness here with you. Welcome to another exciting edition of the Health Tips and Fun Facts. Yes, and today we're going to talk about a specialty food, and that specialty food is called microgreens. That is right. They're not so micro as far as the nutritional content in vitamins and minerals, so let's jump right in. You've probably seen them in different specialty plates at restaurants. They add quite a flavor. With its bright green and red and vibrant colors, microgreens add vitamins and minerals to almost any meal you add them to. The name microgreens isn't specified to one particular plant. The common microgreens are cabbage, cilantro, radish, parsley, beet leaves, and celery. Microgreens are not usually consumed in high quantities, but add in extremely high levels of vitamins and minerals when added to your meals. As you can see depicted here of the woman carrying the microgreens in a container, they're usually added into small pots and harvested within 2 to 4 weeks later. The beauty of it is that they can be grown indoors or outdoors. Given the name microgreens are essentially mini versions of full-grown plants. During a compound study, many have found that microgreens contain more concentration of vitamins than fully grown versions of the same plants. Another study compared mineral content to the plants that are considered micro versus the plants that are full-grown and found that the microgreens completely tops full-grown plants as far as the mineral content. Overall, adding microgreens to your already prepared meals can definitely give you an increase in vitamins and nutrients. For example, like the sandwich you see here on the picture, you can add some fresh microgreens to give it an extra boost of vitamins and minerals, as well as salads. Salads are a great way to add an extra compound of those nutrients to get extra vitamins in your diet. Keep in mind that there is a variation of microgreens and that they are not all going to taste the same. For example, carrot microgreens are going to be slightly sweet, whereas the beet microgreens are going to have more of a spicy flavor. Another thing to be aware of is that microgreens can be pretty pricey on the pocketbook. They range about $25 to $30 per pound. And be mindful that microgreens has a very short shelf life. They will probably last about a good week, so you want to make sure you consume them very quickly right after you purchase them. You can usually locate and purchase microgreens at farmers markets and any local and organic stores in your area. And to briefly outline some of the aforementioned health benefits that microgreens adds, here's a slide kind of going over some of the nutritional benefits they provide to you. I'll be leaving that on a slide here and you can definitely go back and reference. Alrighty, my amazing wellness people, that concludes our health tips and fun facts for today. I hope that answered a lot of the questions you had about microgreens, and I hope you can add it to your diet as soon as you can. Because here at the Jayewellness Studios, we're all about health and wellness. That's what keeps us going. That is what we're all about. But before I let you go, I'd like you to remember something that you can maybe take into the grocery store. You can say it out loud wherever you are. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.